Vector A equals 1, 3, vector B equals 3, 0, and vector C is vector A plus vector B. What is the magnitude of C? So we remember that A plus B is equal to C for this problem, and that vector A is 1, 3, and B is 3, 0. And when we add those together, that gives us vector C. Now, we have to determine what is the components of C. The components of C is simply you add the x component and the y components of the two vectors that make it up. So C is just 1 plus 3 is 4. The y components now, 3 plus 0 is 3. So our vector, the resultant C, has component of, for the x direction, of 4 and a y component of 3. Now to find the magnitude, if we draw this out, it has an x component of 4 and a y component of 3. Now our resultant, the magnitude of the resultant here, would be this here, which we're going to denote just C. Now we come into the problem of how do we solve for C. So using the Pythagorean theorem like we've done before, we write C squared is equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared. You're plugging in the values of the two legs and over here. Now to solve for just C, we have to take the square root of both sides, which will leave us with C is equal to the square root of 4 squared, which is 16, plus 3 squared, which is 9. Now if we add those two together, we get square root of 25, and the square root of 25 is equal to 5. Therefore, the magnitude of C is equal to 5. So our answer is C, 5 is the magnitude of our vector C.